Hello coin engineers, today we will be talking about some updates coming from StepApp and we will dig into each detail and what's gonna happen in our next few days. Let's dive into it. Okay guys, Q2, which means quarter 2, has been fulfilled with updates, calculations, partnerships and stuff. And watch out, upcoming days. We'll be hearing good news popping out from StepApp officials, and one of the updates included will be private beta version. Okay, so what updates we have in quarter 2 so far? Let's break it down. First, we will open our staking page. As you see, we face with main, roadmap, zero inflation yield, and back to London. When we click on this one, we will see our main page. So when we click on roadmap, we see new updates on our website regarding the web page. So phase 1, loot box drops. Second phase, zero inflation yield, and we have a validator rewards, the XLP fees, and NFT royalty fees and stuff like that. Okay, the most important thing is that you'll get benefit from this staking yield, guys. StepApp will have been rewarding you since you locked your tokens in ecosystem. Okay, so this is the page. As you see, this is stake history. I staked 500 for FitFi, and till 2-month pool I only have 4 days left. After 4 days I will have been rewarding with the reward of this pool. So when you check this one, how many tokens you have, it doesn't matter, but you will have like 55 to 60% from the pools. So this is a nice one for long term. Okay, and StepApp will purchase tokens from the market to support ecosystem members. Okay, this yield program will include different things such as validator rewards, app fees, protocol products. So everybody in ecosystem will be rewarded somehow. Okay, StepApp will be generous at this point. And last but not least, we will have our private beta version probably in June or in August. As told initially, they'll announce the updates in the upcoming days. To stay up to date, and if you want to get more videos related to StepApp, you know what to do. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button and share with your friends who's striking for StepApp applications. And that's pretty much of our video, guys. Goodbye.